Thutha wa wetereri munene wa uria njanjo muthemba wa AstraZeneca igukinya guku bururi-ini, riu kambuni ya ndege ya Kenya Airways nirikitie gucenjia ndege muthemba wa Boeing 787 iri kuhuthika kurehe njanjo yo guku bururi-ini. Kuringana na Alan Kilavuka, murugamiriri munene wa kambuni ya Kenya Airways, ndege no ithondeketwo na ubaciriri munene hari kugacirithia ithimi cia uhehu uria dawa ino ibatie ni kuigwo naguo, no icenjio kuringana ni muthemba uriku wa njanjo irakuwa.
We can modify the aircraft, like this aircraft can be modified on the belly. For example, if you're using the Pfizer, if you are transporting the Pfizer medication, you can use ice packs, right, to make sure the temperature is below 80, negative 80. You can regulate the temperature to be below 20 for the AstraZeneca medication. So you can play around with the temperatures to make sure that it's okay.
Ndege ino no yo ikuhuthika gutwara njanjo ino icigo-ini itiganite guku bururi-ini, undu umwe na mabururi matiganite gitaro-ini kia Africa.
You know, all our aircraft can do it, but this particular one, because it's a long haul aircraft, is most suitable, right? And it has capacity, because the belly can carry up to 30 tons, over 30 tons, between 30 and 40 tons, depending on the configuration. So this one would be a good one. We are using this first, and then we'll see whether we can convert a second one, like this one.
Ona gutwika ministry ya ugima wa mwiri yaugite njanjo ino igakinya gatagati-ini ka mweri uyu turi kuri na uhoteteku ikorwo igikinya muthenya wa Juma iri njanjo milioni 4 itena-ini ria mbere.
So we are ready tomorrow to do the distribution of vaccines. Yeah, because the aircraft is here, the pharma facility is available, so we can do it anytime.
Maya mokite uriri umuthi bururi wandikithitie arwaru eru wa COVID-19 125 na gukinyaniria namba ya arwaru 101,948. Ndeto yake ehania ati andu 7 ni matoretio ni murimu uyu na gukinyaniria namba ya andu othe makuite ari 1,746. No undu wa gukenererwo ni ati andu 112 ni mahonete murimu uyu na gukinyithia namba ya andu aria othe mahonete ari 48,473. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritoroko ni Wanjiru wa Foro.